In this lesson, we are going to display a WinCC Unified faceplate in a pop-up. I'm going to open up my FP pop-up screen. The faceplate that we are going to display in the pop-up is from a previous lesson. I'm going to select my Libraries tab. And under Types, I'm going to find my Pump Tag Control faceplate. And I'm just going to drag an instance out onto the screen. I want to look at the miscellaneous category for my faceplate, and then I want to take note of the pump status tag because this is the tag that we need to populate when we open our pop-up window. So I'm going to delete the instance of the faceplate. I'm going to select my Toolbox tab, and I'm going to bring in a button object. The text for the button object is going to be open FP in pop-up with bit tag 1. I'm going to go down to the Events tab for the push button. On the click left mouse event, I'm going to convert the system function area to JavaScript. I'm going to use a snippet. So I'm going to right-click, select Snippets, HMI Runtime, Screen, and Open Faceplate in Pop-up. I'm going to collapse my toolbox area. So this snippet is for opening a faceplate in a pop-up window. We are only going to be passing in one tag value to the faceplate in the pop-up window. So I'm going to delete the color property, and I'm going to change the tag property here to our property name, which is going to be pump status. And I'm going to change the actual tag name to be bit tag 1. Then we're creating an object for our pop-up window. So I'm going to select the faceplate and use my Control-J on the keyboard. And then I'm going to select my pump tag control faceplate. For the title of the pop-up window, I'm going to put in bit tag 1. And so data is being passed in from above. So this is going to be our pump status tag that gets passed into the pop-up window. The PO.left is the location of the pop-up window. So I'm going to use item.left. And I'm going to say plus 125. This is the location of where the pop-up window is going to be displayed, based off of the location of the push button and the offset of the navigation buttons. For the top location, I'm going to backspace over the 150, and I'm going to use item.top. And then the PO.visible equals true is going to open up the pop-up window. I'm going to duplicate my push button. The second push button is going to open another pop-up, but using bit tag 2. So I'll change the text to say bit tag 2. I will go to the events of the second push button. I will change the title to be bit tag 2. And I will change the tag name to be bit tag 2 that is going to be passed into the pop-up. I'm going to start my simulation. I'm going to select my faceplate pop-up screen. I'm going to open the first pop-up. And then when I toggle my pump, it toggles bit tag 1. I'll select Open FP and Popup for bit tag 2. And that has a different value. So now this is controlling tag 2. In this lesson, we opened a WinCC Unified faceplate in a pop-up.